Sanibona, ngaphambi singene kwivideo namuhla, ngithi angithathe lethuba ngibonge i-support nothando nesikhombise lona lingaphezu kokucabanga kwethu. Siyacela niqhubeke nisiphote njalo ngokubuka amavideo ethu, ungakhohlwa ukukhomenta, ushare, ulike. Siyafisa ukuzwa umbono wakho. Sicela ke singene kwivideo namuhla. Izolo sithola umbiko obusazisa ukuthi Lieutenant General Dumisani Khumalo akaphilanga kahle. So angeke aze akwazi ukutestifya lapha kwiMadlanga Commission. So ngaleso sizathu kwase kuthiwa iCommission iyahlehla kodwa abangasitshela idate lizoqhubeka nini. Kuthe-ke kushoneni kwelanga base bekhipha istatement esizosibheka esizosazisa ukuthi iCommission izoqhubeka nini. Emveni kokuba uJustice Madlanga sekhulumile wayesethi okhulumela iCommission uyena ozo-update ngayo yonke into. Abezindaba ke bakhulumile naye. Sizocaphuna leyo video leyo bese before sikhuluma ngestatement.
Just a few minutes after 9, and we will make an announcement during the course of the day as to the way forward. But for today, we are adjourned.
So, do we know how long he will not be available to testify for the commission?
No, we don't know that.
So, could this potentially see proceedings being suspended for the week?
We will make an announcement as soon as we know, but for today we are adjourned.
I mean, you are fully aware, Jeremy, of how sometimes there's a lot of conspiracy theories that go around. Just a message to the public about, it's got nothing to do with whatever might have been happening around him at the commission, and that the venue and everything else is secure.
Yes, absolutely. So I think it's very important for us to say that the hearing was scheduled to start at 9:30. There is nothing out of the ordinary except that General Khumalo is not feeling well. And of course, Justice Madlanga took the decision to adjourn for the day instead.
Okay. Jeremy, take us through the in-camera process. Has Mr. Khumalo applied for that process?
Well, we're not going to talk about that at the moment. For now, we are in this phase of the hearings, in phase 1, where Lieutenant General Mkhwanazi's testimony under oath is being substantiated by a number of witnesses, as you will have seen over the last, today is day 10 of the public hearings. And if there is a need for the commission to go into camera at any point, we will make that announcement as is necessary.
Khulume kanjena-ke o-spokesperson we-commission njengoba bechaza ukuthi akaphilanga kahle uGeneral Khumalo, so ngaleso sizathu iguqileke i-commission. Bazosazisa ukuthi usuku lunini njengoba ngishilo ukuthi basikhiphile istatement. Njengoba bembuza la siyakhumbula ukuthi kune-information uLieutenant General Nhlanhla Mkhwanazi athe mabekhuluma naye wathi angeke akwazi ukukhuluma ngayo, ngcono angakhuluma ngayo phambi kwekhamera ngoba ingxenye ye-intelligence uyibize nge-COVID, yena uyibize kanjalo. No, even naye uGeneral Dumisani Khumalo kune-information angeke baze bakwazi ukuyidisclose ukuthi engafanelanga yaziwe umphakathi kodwa efuneka bayikhulume phambi kwekhamera. Manje bebebuza ukuthi lezo sikhathi sesifikile na, bathi cha okwamanje basabhekane nalama public hearings then bazosazisa uma ngabe sekufike leso sikhathi. Into engikhathazayo nje neshange Goslow i-ad hoc committee shange Goslow fanele ngabe yesiqalile manje, fanele ngabe iyaqhubeka. Kodwa ke uyazi labantu laba bakhuluma 5 hours baphikisane lishona ilanga bekhulume nje iphuzu elilodwa. Ya asidlulele phambili ke sizwe ukuthi batheni ku statement sabo. Statement siphume ngomhla ka-1 October 2025. Isihloko sithi statement by Jeremy Michaels, spokesperson of the Judicial Commission of Inquiry into Criminality, Political Interference and Corruption in the Criminal Justice System. Sifundeka kanje. The Commission wishes to announce that it will resume its public hearings on the 13th of October 2025. The Commission will be taking a scheduled break from 6 to 10 October 2025 due to the unavailability of Commissioner Sesi Baloyi, who will be attending to her duties as a member of the Judicial Service Commission, JSE. This week, the Commission's public hearing will have continued until Friday, the 3rd of October 2025. But when the hearing resumed at 9:30 today, Justice Mbuyiseni Madlanga adjourned it due to the inability of Lieutenant General Dumisani Khumalo to proceed with his testimony as a result of a sudden illness ends. Sikhishwe a Commission of Inquiry into Criminality, Political Interference and Corruption in the Justice System, eyaziwa ngeMadlanga Commission. Isona-ke statement lesi esivela kwi-commission njengoba bashilo ukuthi uspokesperson uyena ozosazisa ukuthi kwenzakalani. Sebeze banquma-ke ukuthi cha, izoqhubeka ngomhla ka-13. Izoqhubeka ngomhla ka-13. Asilindeke sizwe ukuthi umhla ka-13 usiphatheleni. Bekuyithuba elihle lokuthi-ke i-ADOC iqala umsebenzi wayo, kodwa ngoba-ke bashaya nge-go-slow sesazolinda. Ngicela ukuzuphawula kwakho la ku-comment section. Sengathi futhi engalulama uGeneral Khumalo ngoba i-information abeza nayo besibona ukuthi kude la kiwa khona. Nanokugula nje okuvele kwamvuka esithubeni. Mhlambe-ke asike singacabangela abantu, kodwa sithi mhlawumbe ukugula vele obekubobe kunokumphatha. Singacabangeli nje abantu. Sithi mhlawumbe ukugula okunokumphatha. Bengithi angikulethele le update. Wazi ukuqhubekalani ngecommission njengoba ihlehlisiwe, kodwa manje sesiyazi ukuthi ihlehlele luphi usuku ngoba usuku la izolo beyihlehlisiwe nje till further notice. Usuku la izolo beyihlehlisile till further notice, kodwa namhlanje sesine date, siyazi ukuthi i-commission izobuya ngomhla ka-13. Ungasupporta ngokuba imember yale channel. Qala ku-40 rand ngenyanga ukuya phezulu. Hayi man, ngiyanicela phela nijoin nibe ngama-member. Contribute nje kule channel. Ungasupporta futhi ngokusidonatela noma ngamalini, ikhona i-account kwi-comment ephiniwe. Ungakhohlwa ukusubscribe, ushare, ucomment. Ongenamali ikhona indlela elula yokusupport yokuthi ubukele ivideo, ubuke nama-advert. Uma wenze kanjalo uzofana nokuthi ucontributile kule channel financially ngoba ngokubuka kwakho ama-advert nathi YouTube yasibonelela asipho okuncane ukuze sikwazi ukuthenga ukhokhela i-router, i-Wi-Fi, ngikwazi ukuba nedatha, ngikwazi ukukulethela ama-video. Ilokho nje bengithi angikubeke. Ngicela ukuzuphawula kwakho. Ngizwe wena ukuthi ubona kanjani kulolu daba nje sixoxa ngalo le commission. Into engiyijabulela nje kule commission ukuthi iqiniso sizolazi. Noma-ke okubuhlungu kungukuthi ama-recommendations wabo, they are not non-binding. Kuyodependa emseni kaRamaphosa. Siyamazi kuRamaphosa unekhono uRamaphosa lokuthi nje angenzi lutho. Omuzwa ekhuluma unezethembiso eziningi. Izethembiso zakhe mayengazibala ziningi izidlula inwele esekhanda lami. Kodwa inkinga nje yakhe akafezi nesisodwa sazo. Mina nawe kasidibane kwivideo elandelayo. Ngiyabonga.